Have you ever wondered what someone's real thoughts are, even when their words tell a different story? Imagine being able to spot a lie in a split second, decode hidden emotions from a single glance, or understand someone's feelings without them saying a word. Body language is the secret language we all speak but rarely notice. From micro-expressions that reveal genuine emotions to subtle gestures that scream discomfort, every movement has a meaning. Mastering these nonverbal cues can transform the way you connect, communicate, and even influence people. Stay with me as I show you how to read anyone's body language like an expert. In this video, we'll be learning about body language. We will cover each and every step in detail to ensure you have a clear understanding of this important topic. This information will be incredibly useful for you in the future. So, let's dive right in. Make sure to watch the video till the end, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask us in the comments section. Let's get started. Imagine having a superpower that lets you see beyond words, a way to uncover hidden emotions, detect unspoken intentions, and connect with people on a whole new level. That's the magic of body language. It's a universal code we all use but rarely understand. In this video, we'll unlock the secrets of nonverbal communication, from subtle micro-expressions to powerful gestures, so you can read anyone like an expert and communicate more effectively than ever before. Why is body language important? Nonverbal communication accounts for up to 93% of human interaction, Mehrabia, 1971. People convey their emotions, intentions, and even lies through nonverbal cues. Mastering these skills enables you to: Number 1. Build trust and rapport. Number 2. Detect unspoken emotions. Number 3. Identify deception. Number 4. Strengthen your leadership and influence. The core elements of body language. Facial expressions. Facial expressions are the most recognizable aspect of nonverbal communication and convey emotions universally. Emotion, expression, example: happiness, smiling, crinkling around the eyes, a genuine smile in a happy moment. Sadness, drooping mouth corners, downcast gaze, mourning or loss. Anger, tightened lips, furrowed brows, argument or frustration. Surprise, wide eyes, raised eyebrows, open mouth, unexpected news. Fear, tense face, wide eyes, clenched jaw, encountering danger. Genuine versus fake smiles. Genuine smile, Dutchin smile, engages the orbicularis oculi muscle, creating crow's feet near the eyes. Fake smile involves only the mouth muscles and lacks eye involvement. Eye movements. The eyes are often referred to as the windows to the soul because they reveal thoughts and emotions. Q. What it means. Direct gaze, confidence, interest, or confrontation. Avoiding eye contact, nervousness, guilt, or discomfort. Blinking rapidly, anxiety, lying, or stress. Prolonged eye contact, attraction or dominance. Pupil dilation. When someone is excited, interested, or stimulated, their pupils naturally dilate. Conversely, constricted pupils might indicate discomfort or disinterest. Posture. Posture conveys self-confidence, interest, or lack thereof. Posture type, interpretation. Upright and open, confidence and attentiveness. Slouched shoulders, disinterest, sadness, or insecurity. Leaning forward, interest and engagement. Leaning back, detachment or skepticism. Hand gestures. Gestures amplify verbal communication and provide insight into a person's mood and intentions. Gesture, meaning. Open palms, honesty, receptiveness. Hands in pockets, nervousness or secretiveness. Pointing, aggression or emphasis. Fidgeting with objects, anxiety or boredom. Micro-expressions. Micro-expressions are involuntary facial expressions that occur within a fraction of a second, revealing true emotions. These fleeting expressions are universal and difficult to suppress, making them reliable indicators of someone's feelings. How to spot micro-expressions. 1. Pay attention to changes in facial muscles. 2. Focus on the eyebrows, eyes, and mouth for the most expressive regions. 3. Observe during emotionally charged moments, as they are more likely to appear. The importance of context in body language. Understanding body language without considering the context can lead to misinterpretation. Always analyze the following factors. 1. Cultural differences. For example, maintaining eye contact is considered respectful in Western cultures but might be seen as rude in some Asian countries. 2. Baseline behavior. Observe how a person typically behaves to identify deviations. 3. Clusters of cues. Never rely on one single gesture or expression. Look for clusters of behaviors to draw conclusions. 4. Verbal alignment. Compare verbal messages with nonverbal cues. Any mismatch can indicate insincerity. Before we go ahead, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Proximity and space, the science of personal space. Proxemics, or the study of personal space, reveals how distance influences communication. Zone, distance, purpose. Intimate, 0 to 18 inches, close relationships, comfort, or intimacy. Personal, 18 inches, 4 feet, conversations with friends or colleagues. Social, 4 to 12 feet, interactions with strangers or groups. Public, 12 feet plus, lectures, speeches, or large gatherings. Advanced body language techniques. Detecting lies. Spotting deception requires identifying inconsistencies between verbal and nonverbal behaviors. Common cues of lying. Avoiding eye contact or overly intense gaze. Fidgeting or sudden movements. Speech hesitations. Incongruent emotions, example smiling while expressing sadness. Paralinguistic cues. Paralinguistics refers to vocal elements that accompany speech, including tone, pitch, volume, and rate. Cue, meaning. Loud volume, confidence, dominance, or anger. Low volume, shyness or lack of confidence. Fast rate, excitement or nervousness. Slow rate, thoughtfulness or sadness. Building your body language skills. 1. Observe without judgment. Watch how people behave in various settings, such as cafes, meetings, or public spaces. 2. Self-awareness. Record yourself during conversations to identify habits or nervous tics. 3. Practice empathy. Try to understand the emotions behind the gestures rather than jumping to conclusions. 4. Adapt to the environment. Use appropriate body language to align with the cultural and situational norms. Body language in leadership. Here's how to emulate them. Strong leaders often possess powerful body language. Maintain an upright posture and open gestures. Use a firm handshake to convey confidence. Smile warmly to build trust. Use steady eye contact to establish authority. Body language as a mirror of inner emotions. Discuss. Body language acts as a reflection of our inner emotions, often revealing what words cannot express. When someone is confident, their posture is upright, their movements are controlled, and their gestures are open. On the contrary, nervousness might show through fidgeting, avoiding eye contact, or slouching. These nonverbal signals act as an emotional mirror, offering insights into how a person feels in a specific situation. Observing such cues enables us to understand others better and respond empathetically, even when they don't articulate their feelings. How gestures communicate intentions. Our gestures often convey our intentions long before we speak. A firm handshake can indicate confidence, while a weak one might suggest hesitation. Similarly, pointing or waving hands emphasizes key points during conversations, reinforcing verbal communication. Subtle gestures, like touching the face or neck, can indicate discomfort or uncertainty. Becoming mindful of these gestures not only improves our ability to interpret others but also helps in controlling our own nonverbal messages to convey the right impression. The importance of posture in nonverbal communication. Posture is one of the most telling elements of body language, often setting the tone for interactions. A person standing tall with shoulders back exudes authority and self-assurance, while someone hunched over may appear timid or disengaged. Posture can also reveal attentiveness or boredom in conversations. Sitting forward slightly signals interest, while leaning back might suggest disinterest or fatigue. Mastering posture helps in creating a positive impression in professional and personal settings, enhancing how others perceive us. Facial expressions windows to emotions. Facial expressions are perhaps the most universal form of body language, transcending language and cultural barriers. A smile can express happiness, while a frown may signal displeasure. Micro-expressions, brief, involuntary facial expressions, often reveal hidden emotions like fear, anger, or surprise, even when someone tries to mask them. Observing these subtle cues provides invaluable insights into a person's true feelings. By being aware of our own expressions, we can better align our facial cues with the emotions we want to convey. Hand movements and their significance. Hands are among the most expressive parts of the body, capable of adding depth to communication. Open palms signify honesty and openness, while clenched fists may denote anger or frustration. Hand movements also aid in storytelling, making explanations clearer and more engaging. However, excessive or erratic gestures can be distracting and may confuse the message. Striking the right balance in hand movements enhances the effectiveness of communication, ensuring the focus remains on the message being conveyed. The power of mirroring in building rapport. Mirroring is a subtle body language technique where one subconsciously mimics the posture, gestures, or expressions of another person. This phenomenon often happens naturally when individuals are in sync, indicating a strong connection or mutual understanding. In professional settings, deliberate mirroring can be used to build rapport and foster trust. For example, adopting a similar tone of voice or pace of movement can make the other person feel more comfortable. Understanding and employing mirroring effectively can enhance both personal and professional relationships. The role of touch in nonverbal interaction. Touch is a potent yet nuanced aspect of body language, carrying a wide range of meanings depending on context and culture. A firm pat on the back can be a gesture of encouragement, while a gentle touch on the arm might convey empathy. However, the appropriateness of touch varies significantly. What's acceptable in one culture may be considered invasive in another. Being sensitive to these nuances ensures that physical contact enhances communication rather than causing discomfort. Cultural variations in body language. Body language isn't universal, its interpretation often depends on cultural context. For instance, direct eye contact might be seen as confidence in Western cultures but perceived as disrespectful in some Asian societies. Similarly, gestures like the thumbs up or the OK sign have different connotations worldwide. Understanding these cultural variations is essential for effective cross-cultural communication. Adapting our body language to respect these differences fosters better connections and avoids potential misunderstandings. The unconscious habits that speak volumes. Unconscious body language habits often reveal more about us than we realize. Nervous tics like tapping a foot, playing with hair, or biting nails are automatic responses to stress or anxiety. Similarly, crossing legs or turning the body away can unintentionally signal disinterest or discomfort. Becoming aware of these unconscious signals allows us to better manage how we present ourselves and improve how we are perceived in both personal and professional interactions. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you can get useful knowledge from this video. Good luck.